Time I showed to you how to use the solution made by red cabbage. Here I'm going to show to you how to make the solution and then how to make the pH strips out of this. Can you see I've put some cabbage leaves in water, and after boiling I'm going to put the strips in this water. I'll also show that to you. That will be the next step. So this is step 1. 2. While that is still getting boiled, I'm going to cut strips out of this ordinary paper. Alright, and keep them ready to dip them in the solution once it cools down. So I've used two kind of sheets. One is slightly thick chart paper and the other is the ordinary paper. And then I'm going to keep these strips ready so that I can check the pH and compare them to the pH scale that is given in your book. Alright, so you can keep your strips ready in the meanwhile. So this is step 2. Here comes step 3. I'm going to put these strips into the pH solution that I've made, and you already saw how I made this pH solution. So I'm going to dip it in this and let it be dipped in this for some time, and then I'm going to dry and use these pH strips. So say step 3. These are the strips that I cut out, dip them in this red cabbage solution for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see that the color has changed, and I'm putting them to dry on this paper. So once they are dried, I'm going to use them to test. And here I have taken, you can see, here I have taken some solutions. So we'll be dipping these pH strips in it. This is Dettol, Pril, choline, baking powder. This is sodium hypochlorite bleach, vinegar. This is filtered water, and this is lemon juice. Okay, so we are ready to go. This strip that went into Dettol has turned red. One which went into Pril is also red. In the choline, it's blue. In baking soda, it is quite blue. In sodium hypochlorite, it's green. In vinegar, it's red. In water, no color change. In lemon juice, it is red. And in washing soda, it has turned green. So if I try and check their colors, I have this book, your 10th standard book, with me. If I try and see the colors of these strips, compare them to the pH scale, then I see that washing soda is somewhere around 9. So I've written 9 here. Lemon juice, the strip is here. Lemon juice, it's somewhere around 3. And when I compare all of these, I have written there, this is washing soda 9, lemon juice 3, water 7 neutral, vinegar 5 to 6. This is the bleaching powder 11, baking soda 11 to 12, choline is somewhere around 13, Pril is 3 to 4, and Dettol is also ranging from 3 to 4. If you want me to perform some more experiment using different liquids, then you are most welcome. As you can see, I have already kept these strips here and they're going to dry. So I'm going to leave them on this paper to dry further. And if you think of any liquid, you can try me and you can make your own pH scale at home. Compare it with the one given in the book and do tell me whether you understood the concept of pH and pH paper properly or not using these strips. Thank you.